This is Billy from Bakersfield Tough. We go out and we help companies achieve a marketing strategy that they can afford. Sit back, join us on this edition of Bakersfield Tough Family Business.
We're here in an older house in Hagen Oaks, and we're getting ready to go through it all, redo all the switches, update everything, all new light fixtures and stuff like that.
Right. I can't wait to show people this house because this house really is dated. I mean, you walk in here and it kind of feels like late 80s, 90s.
Yeah.
Right? I'll kind of pan over here a little bit. You can see it, and it's about to get a huge overhaul, not just on the lighting, but the whole house.
The whole house. Everything's getting redone in this place.
Right. Let's talk about lighting because it's changed. I got to show people this thing because this thing is the most impressive thing. What do we got here? What is some kind of central?
This is an old school intercom system. I mean, it has a tape player.
Cassette even, right?
Yeah.
That's hot,
and,
man.
You know, it's all, you can talk to each room, outside, plays music, everything. It's a whole intercom system to the whole house.
Yeah, you know, if I pan back far enough, it looks like a microwave. Now, unfortunately, this thing's going to go, right? It's cool as it is.
It's either the homeowners, you're going to update to a touchscreen system, or he's just going to eliminate it.
Right. Let's talk about lighting. Can we go out to the garage? Because you mentioned something about that. I'll follow you out there. Now, this is a garage. It's actually a good-sized garage. But the lighting, even though you can't tell, it's somewhat dark, right?
Yeah. What they got is they got 4-foot, 2-lamp T12 old school magnetic ballast and stuff.
That's old school. Because I'm looking right now and you look dark in this room, right? It's like not very much. Now, it's changed, right? You can put LED.
We're going to go in and change everything, probably put more lighting and stuff, change the LED, more efficient,
Right.
And get everything up to date.
Wow. Okay, let's look at other parts of the house. I'll follow you through here. I'll just kind of follow your lead here. And one thing I noticed, every room has its own color. Like this room right here has a nice blue hue to it, and over here right next to it has a nice warm color.
Yeah,
right?
so like this little powder bath, it's got one can light. That's it in this bathroom.
It's pretty dark.
We'll probably go in here, add a couple more. Everything LED, change the plugs, switches, everything up to date.
Yeah. All right. Cool, man. I like it. This is a nice size house too, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Pretty cool little bar here.
Yeah.
And go through, update all the lighting, everything LED, like we said.
Right.
This great room. They got big plans. They're gonna rip all this rock out and stuff, make this room bigger. Do flat screen TV, change out all the lighting.
Yeah, all this coming down, right? They're going to modernize all this. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, that's going to be neat. Yeah.
And just update, the old fixtures and stuff.
Remember when is anybody even using halogens anymore? Those are out.
No, that's out. That's high. That's high dollar
Energy
cost.
Yeah. Yeah. Even incandescents are on their way out, right? Pretty much. I mean, they're on their way out.
Yeah. I mean, even like these incandescent can lights right here are 65 watts, and the new LEDs are 10 watts. So that's over 70% energy savings already just on one light bulb.
Right. And you do the whole house.
Do the whole house, and you're saving some money.
Even the exterior lights, right? You can do the exteriors and everything. Right?
Everything has LED now.
All right, I'm gonna follow you back here.
Exactly. And even this right here. I mean, you could have stopped the tile. You could have stopped. You could have stopped it right here and put a corner on it and a corner on it there, and just left it there. But that was a better idea for that. But that's fine. I mean.
Is that what happens when you have like an electrical crew come in and the contractors, like everybody doesn't know what's going on? They're just kind of showing up on their own time?
The good thing about working together is you figure out what you can do to solve that problem. You just don't cut corners and do that kind of stuff.
When you get to this point and you see that there's an issue, you just address it and you make it right.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, we build stuff that way he does stuff, and the way I do stuff is that every job we do is if it's our job, our house.
Yep.
That's how I always look at it. How you look at it is that this is our house. Would you live with that?
No.
No, I'm not gonna live with that. No. So every day we want you to walk in and see the same thing that we would see at our own house.
It's comical, though, right? That's something you see on the internet, right? I mean, that's like something you see on that goes viral.
That's the handyman job.
Right. That's what non-licensed contractors get you right there.
Yes.
And that's fine. No offense to whoever.
Yeah.
We're gonna make it right.
All right.
Screw in condensants. All the new LED fixtures are retrofit to these old cans.
Yeah.
The new stuff that we do put in will be strictly LED.
Right. That's what you do though. You put cans in too, right? You do that quite a bit.
We add, like this room right here has one can light. We'll probably put 4, picture frame around the ceiling fan here.
And you run the wires and all that stuff, so it's
we
all
run
like
all the new wiring.
Yeah, you know what's cool? What's cool about LED now too is that you can actually dim LED. You didn't used to be able to do that.
Yes,
right?
now we can dim LEDs pretty well.
Right. All right, I'm gonna follow you in here. This is a master bathroom.
Yeah.
And I can see you're gonna get in here, of course, and do all this. Of course, we got blue lights in there.
Yeah.
And we got warm out here.
Yeah,
and,
like in here they got a surface mount fluorescent, kind of like they do out in the garage.
Yeah.
We'll come in here and put flush mount cans and stuff in here.
Look a lot more modern.
Yeah.
And you're gonna do the switches too. You're gonna do all that. So all this stuff.
All this stuff's gonna get all new,
replaced.
New dimmers. All the plugs and stuff, like old plugs. You can see right into them. They're old and stuff. New technology now. They are tamper resistant, so the kids can't stick nothing into them.
Yeah.
So that's all up to date stuff.
Yeah, man. You do a lot of retro fitting, right? I mean,
We do a lot of remodels, a lot of new construction stuff. We do it all.
Yeah, very cool. Okay, well, I told you we were going to do something. Of course, we want to have deals out here, right? We talked about doing a deal. So now we've seen everything you do here. You do everything from replacing the lights to the fixtures to modernizing the plugs, all that stuff. We want to do a deal here. What kind of deal could you do for the Bakersfield Tough family business crowd?
Oh, man, put me on the spot here.
Yeah. What kind of deal?
Man. For adding some plugs, switches, can lighting and stuff like that, we could probably do something like maybe 15% off the deal.
15% off. That is a good deal. Could we do a super deal?
Whew, super deal now, huh?
Could we do a super deal here?
Oh. Hey, since we're the first people doing this for Bakersfield Tough, let's do 20% off.
20% off. That's a super deal, man. Hey, this is really cool. We're having a lot of fun with this. And you know what? I've known you for a long time, dude. You're a good guy, and you definitely know your electric. I'll tell you that right now. And I'm looking forward to seeing what you do to this house. And man, I'm sure that people are going to be inquiring about possibly upgrading. And thanks for joining us, man. This is really cool. And I hope that people talk to you about their electrical stuff. And I hope that this works out for you.
Yeah, and I just want to thank Curtis Triguero. He's the one that's doing all this stuff.
Yeah.
They do awesome work, remodels, brand new houses and stuff, so give them a try.
Right, we're going to see it when we come back here, right? So don't screw this thing up, man. It's got to be good.
That's the best electrician around.
All right, very cool. All right, very good, Justin. Congratulations on your business.
Thank you.
And this is Rubo Electric if you want to get a hold of them. And this is Billy at Bakersfield Tough with the Bakersfield Tough Family Business.